Happy Samoan Language Week 2023. The theme for Waiaso le Ngangana Samoa, or Samoan Language Week, is Mita Mita lo Ngangana Mawa'alo Fa'asinomanga, which means be proud of your language and grounded in your identity. This year's theme focuses on the importance of the Samoan language and identity. It impresses on us the need not only to understand the Samoan language, but to also use it as much as possible. Mita Mita lo Ngangana Mawa'alo Fa'asinomanga encourages Samoan language pride in 4 key areas. Be proud of your ancestral language, your spiritual language in your families, and your written language. So, join us as we come together to learn, appreciate, and celebrate the Samoan language and culture. Ia manuia le Waiaso o le Ngangana Samoa.
First of all, just want to thank everyone for today. This week is Samoa Language Week 2023. The boys going to put on a show. I want you to enjoy it. We're going to start off with prayer, then our national anthem, and after that we're going to our ceremony we're going to do, and then a few performances. So hope you enjoy. I just want to welcome Lineage to the site. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy today and some of our visitors, as you see. Yeah, so forward to
Satu anak sekitar membantu supaya ulang saya duduk keperluan yang masuk dalam model jualan waktu malu saya juga sibuk saya duduk firman kita dalam Samoa Mexico lalu kertas saya kalau kamu saya sibuk saya dolar satu meter dalam dia
So please be upstanding for the national anthem.
Stand on this side, spin up.
Before I do my part in Samoa, I just want to add into what Kids was saying about what are we going to do now. Basically, but this is for the Ava ceremony. Usually we do this when there's special occasion, special guests, and we do this Ava ceremony to welcome and Patarofa and Samoa, everyone, especially our independence in the whole Pacific, free from colonial power and well, Germany, British and the last one was New Zealand. And we are the first country of the Pacific to gain independence. So something that we are very proud of, and why we always have a special. Today, yesterday was our flag day, marks 61 year of independence, and something that we do every year together with our Samoan language. So what are we going to do in Samoa? We have families. Usually there's one language, but in that one language there's an orator and high chief's language, which is what we're going to use today to do the oral ceremony. Some of us are high chiefs and orators, so we're going to do the what we call the orator language. We will perform in our mother tongue language, the Hapa in our ceremony. So I'll be the first one to speak in Samoa. I'll try to translate if I can. Most of this it's the deep and the orator and the high chiefs. Only the high chiefs will understand the meaning of these languages. It's not a common language. So hope you enjoy it. We'll start now. So this is called the Fue in Samoa. It represents a speech. And this is the sharp. So when the orator's outside, you always have this to a speech. It represents a speech. How deep the speech, how easy it is, how hard it is. This is representing how strong it is. So if you see any orators in the Samoa kitchen, if this outside, I think he's an orator. He's a speaking orator. Now I'm going to start my speech in Samoa. Ora kalai whai pēa kau whakua sa whainga malai. Ongo whapea lea. Mā lore sopu. Mā lore malanga manguia. A kongu maringai ka eo maringai e so. Você fala moe moe ka whao ma whao kou. Ai mua o whawhino ia. First of all, I want to welcome our special guest today. Joining us, we welcome you, and especially our entertainment, our audience, our staff. We welcome everyone. Ai o ke lei sua kia la le loko e pei o tai a kuala. Leo ki kai ale tau kukoa ngai whale ngai e mua mau si le vi inga ma le whai le kua. O le whasangi ma le whamua. Ai sea, a leo o kai mai loko wola sui fua la le nei, le kingo. Leo o kako whisanga i e ngei luma. O kako whisanga i luma mu, ai leo kua mu. O wao ai ngai luiu. Oi ma kan kan ka ko kia wia mai lengi as a ko le lofa le o po ia ka ko le o sau le ba kiu au mai le ba ka a le o lanwa ma le ba sau ia ko ma ko fa pele a ko mo fa moi o se ko fa ma ele suma kai kai. Você não pau, mas o ao olhe, como posamos, para foi para o fama cuiva, tem isso, para cá o aí não é nada, olhe ao cu olhe nada, mitsa ila wangama maua alo pasina mama. The theme of our Pacific language is be proud of your language, grounded in your identity. Pero mafuanga nga leo maku ka penga dia ia o sa fia fino me tanga. Paali na mako fia pa mga kuing ole ngana Samoa. Ai fa kai no suga. Thank you very much Kevin for giving us this time, even though it's not even a business thing, but thank you for the time that you've given us to celebrate our culture. We appreciate that. And from the leader and our boys, we want to thank you very much. And also our special guests and everyone joining us today. Thank you very much. Yang kaya na wasma ko kang kalanda. Yang sa kay kawat diri. Yo pa kay kay. Mapui man mangau, man mafa la teo. Ia fa manguia le koe ka ko. Ko no fa ai ulang laua. Ko fa la manu ko. Once this side means the speed is done. Thank you very much.
O ke le uku fia le vai ngā i ke atu ia kua. Ngaku o leo e whekalai la vai. O ke iloa fo i rau le koe au whangainga ni uloa. Ua pa ia mamalu la so. Awa e mamalu le iok la so ngei. O le waka ko fisila fa I luma ngu. Ai le ukua ngu. O le vi inga I le kua I le fa I kikia. Awa o ia o le pule o kako soifua ma kako wola. E waka I ka inga mai lo ko soifua ma kako wola nge yasu. Sa o mangaku o le a e o I ka e ao le akungu. Sa o mangaku whera e o I pa ia o rea kumu. Awa o ka ea o koko masa. O ka ea o ngai whari uma upang yangi. Le ngā sungui ai lea la whale. Ia ingo sa kuala man mātā mani e koa. Ai ara ingo li kai. Ai sili ai ka ea o nei. O le kaya sa whau pō, whau au. O lea poi se kō whā I ngā o ngei. Ka kui ngā ku lawa I luma o lea kua. Ia whakamuinga le aso ngei. Whawhekai lau whau kanga. O lea wa mai ka waku, o lea wa ngā lua le kausala mal au manga. A o le awa lea. A wale usua lele. O lea anga I ai se langonga ngai kai au. O awa le maki makenga mari e koma pulelei. O awa vele velenga. O awa sa whanga ngā sua. A wā Samoa. Ro ai ka malele ma fale le fulu I kafa I fia lalo langi. A wā se manguia lau kele o Samoa. Ai ale awar fe au man garuenga le kua. A lewa whaka whau. Lewa ka ko whairoa I en kai aurni. A mai ale ngā ruenga kausala male au manga. O ngā kau ke le se ipu taku kai au. Kako se ipu pa iyo Samoa ma on kapa au. Aia se ipu le mari o lasi na ngofu a kou. Aia se ipu mo wharu polunga. Iliu alan kamkangi ngai ku whainga malanga. Kapa sei pua kai ka. Au te ngai kai au e whekalai ai. Anga kua la kako wholau whakasi ai ngā. Ai kako walo ia renga kongu. Wawa mai vai. Ai so malie ava le alofa ma le anga lei o le ku. Okay.
Maya moyo kapa kulia kukaya roko malang le rayo kapau le lang. Oanga pule paso so lele wo kapau kapisa ye. Ngai wo kapau sila ula wo kangai ula. Kapau sila panya lagi mamai masai fumo. Ako wo komu mara kau ke lele wo mau ma ko suye ba mangan. Amaya maruanga kapsala ke kera lupa maro pele. Pau matango. Wow le paso so. Ostinavo le passa só! A curiosa é la ueva! Uau! Kau kena pola sumber kai malang! Dapat sabar ya buat kuangnya ya kau kira wap ya buat kuyang.
Boleh tua, nak tua, ini aku dulu ada malu. Nama kata kalau Lineage, kata futi menggula. O tatou pimusa o ngala i ele ilona viinga man dia fa mana tuina o le ngana Samoa man dia fa mana tuina o le atasi tatou sanga o le tuto tasi si tatou man dia tatou ngwenga Lineage o le dia utani
Truck controller with us, I'm going to try to finish it off because this is already it's going to cost
Rori le, se mo me semua le mai malas. Le mai tau atu ani wa, masi lo wa tau ia. Ko ia ni mai le tuo no le wa. Mai a foi fa mo sa ko wa fo ko ia. La se la mono ia tu ni mai malas.
Ya. Le nganga lava le tas. Ya mo ana ave bi no pa tai le tua. Ya no pa ta buina ma pa mo. Ya ia ka na lo wale tau. Ya pa tai le tua ma pai ko le nei na lao. Ya le tua ta tu ki fie le nei yaso. Ya pa ko ya pa tai le suma pa nei na ya ona pa no ina. Le ko ya la le ya ko pa tu na pa yo atu ko le ta ua le ngana sa ko ai tonu le nei company o Lineage.
Ta tai la vea, le anatu vos te ki ona moles na tu fatan no. Ya ai la se un yo tape na ngale sa ya ile a mo le.
Ya pa tai la mo le pa si. Ole pa mo nei sa ese mai tau sanga tonu no mat. Bisa tampil mamau itu dia usuk dia dia male tolu mai aso na tampil nai dia ka boy lava ya o se manatu alea ya o se natu ele ya lena tu pata si ai da pa wa mata mo fe ya so ya o mole ko ia dispo yo usu o pato le ma ya o pe malanga Samoa ya awal me pa tai le ko tau ina le yaso pa ai tu ko le sangi mai rau pa ina duenga ya ma spoil ka tu ma ya ole ngana ki ya la
Ta vea, sau so no ma muni, mai mo fa ko mai se tanto o tu.
ya pe yo le ti mo le tau sanga ya mita la ngana ma pa wa ai lo pa sino manga se ta algo le ti ya a ton mo se fatu boy leo le atu ko ina i te tonu nei pani ruenga o lo iai nisio alo whanau o sa mo o ngāri boi ai ia tatou o hua tatou mangana ia ma tatou mana tua o iai tatou atu nupele sa mo ia o tatou pai sino hanga lava lea o whea lava lea te tapo lalani o loo e papa ao ai ma o taua o lo home ia ai ia tatou pai sino mata lava ia tatou atu nupele sa mo ia tatou pai sino mang siri ni na
Ya, ta te la se mala vea mo le mo e yaso. Natu samo, na mo se atoa mo tatou fatanonga. Ia na yaso sa. Ya, pa tailo mai mo mai. Thank you so much for today. Tell us, how do you feel about today?
I've got a massive sense of pride, pride in the team, and pride in I think the how proud all the team here are to show off their culture. Samoan culture is like the other Pacific Island cultures. I find that it is so uplifting and fun. There's always a lot of fun in our celebrations, lots of laughter, lots of smiling, and these celebrations with our Samoan team and our other cultures is the highlight of the year for us, to be honest. And we look so forward to this day, and everyone leaves with a full tummy and a massive smile on their face. And
Wow.
this is the best thing we've ever done in terms of engagement of our people at work. It's just, yeah.
Wow. Thanks, Gavin. Is this the first time or?
This is our third year of doing this, and I think we're getting a bit better with our organisation. You can't organise the weather, so
Exactly, yeah.
but look, we're grateful that we got a great 25 minutes in the sunshine before the heavens opened. But the main thing was we managed to find a way to complete the day's ceremonies, and they were wonderful as well. The fact that the team worked really hard here every day.
Yeah.
They go home and then they came into work afterwards to practice. So everybody's really invested in the event as well, which is what blows my mind away. This is a great family we've got here, and we love celebrating.
Well, what's your best memory of today, Kevin?
My best memory? Well, probably the best thing for everybody was I didn't get to dance too long, so that's probably best for all the spectators.
Yeah.
The carver was fun. I really and I enjoyed lobbing the bowl back.
Where did you learn that? Did someone tell you, or?
I do my research. I guess part of the fun with all the cultural celebrations we do is learning more about the culture. So that's another new. Every year I'm learning more and more. And that was my big learning for this year.
Wow.
And again, it's fun. I love it.
That's right. What's your plan for the future? Are you guys will consistently doing this for every year?
Yeah, we'll be looking to do, I'd say at least 4 a year, maybe 5. So we've already had a Waitangi celebration. We've had Diwali. We combined some of the other Pacific Island nations together because we don't have as many numbers on the floor, but we still celebrate them. So yeah, look, we will continue with this, and look, I can't see any reason why you wouldn't. To be honest, it's too much fun, and everybody's into it, and everybody loves it.
Wow, thanks so much, Kevin, for your time. Your last words for the Samoan people, our audience out there. As a proud Samoan, what do you say?
Well, I'm of Irish New Zealand background, and you've got me, an Irish Kiwi, proud of the Samoan culture. It is such the people are so proud of their nation. It's amazing how you can sense the pride as you walk around. The people that were performing, even down to the fact when we're serving the food, the people there are very proud to serve you and show off what a fantastic culture is. And I love the culture. It's so much fun, and it's about family. And like, I'm not related by blood to anybody here, but for me, this is my family. And I think Samoan people should be incredibly proud of your nation and proud of your independence too.
Thanks, Kevin. Thank you so much for your time today, and hopefully we'll catch up soon.
Mika, thank you very much for your time, mate, and wonderful to see you too. Thank you.
Thanks.